Okay, one more video. I got to do one more video while I'm out on the streets of rock and roll at 7-Eleven. Because when I'm at 7-Eleven, not only do I feel good, but I live good. Man, I'm like a wet dog. I've had one hell of a day. Oh my God, we had a massive car show, truck show. It was amazing. We had a great, I guess you call it a community of badassness. They're called Squareville. And we had a great charity event. It was a huge car show and truck show and bike show. Just so many vehicles. And you know what I'll probably do? I'll start featuring a couple on this channel. It's fun to kind of take a break from LiveGood and just promote or talk about the experience, or maybe little nuggets on how to get people to maybe join, at least, pre-enroll, or, maybe join. How cool would that be? I just did like a really desperate video where I was hoping people would join so I could get gas in my truck. And I went and got my mail, and I was kind of excited because look, I got my new hats. I collect hats like crazy. I think I have well over 100. I'm like girls with shoes. I know some girls collect shoes. I'm like I'm a hat whore. I'm hat hoary. Hello. Hey, what's going on? I'm a hat whore. So check it out. I'm excited. I just opened my mail, and you know what I've become? And I was making fun of this the other day. When my friends find out that I'm somewhat of a wholesaler or have access to wholesale CBD oil, guess what? They call your buddy Corey, because I literally live at 7-Eleven because number one, I'm addicted to ice cold drinks. And number two, all my trucks get about 9 miles to the gallon, and that's on a good day. So I've got kind of a it's like a triple threat of coolness. I've got my new blue LiveGood hat and my green one. And guess what? Good news for all my buddies. That's right, CBD oil. And I only stock the 1500 because I figure if you need CBD oil, you need the good stuff. I mean, you can get wimpy 500 or 750, but I don't mind stocking. Where's it at? Can you guys see it? All right, there we go. Let me flip my camera. Let me see if it'll actually flip here without me dropping my phone. Can you guys see my boogers? That's right, booger cam. I don't know how to flip. Oh, there. Filmed about 500 times. I guess I should have it memorized. But I kind of... Okay, I have no boogers. I feel... Okay, check it out. Look at that. Normally, I'm not at 7-Eleven filming CBD oil, but these new hats, look at how colorful they are. Look at that. They're blue, they're green. But look at that. The green actually, check it out. Look at that. Oh my God, I could totally do displays for New York. When you walk and they have the fancy products in the glass windows. Man, I'm ready to do some display marketing. All right, well, good news. If any of my friends are in Salt Lake City, guess who loads up with 1500 milligrams of CBD oil? It's me. All right. And I love the hats, by the way. They do a good job. I'm a big fan of green and blue. I call them Skittles colors. I mean, anyone can get black and silver, but you put some badass colors like this on your head, and man, you have a pretty good day. I've only filmed about 7,000 videos, and I apologize that it took me 14 minutes to flip my camera. But do I really have booger? Nothing's more embarrassing than when you're like trying to prove a point. You're like on video, trying to act real cool, like you really know what you're talking about. And then you got like boogers hanging out your nose like Jim Carrey in Dumb and Dumber when he was riding that motorcycle in the snow. So, okay. All right, well, this is kind of a different video. I normally am not literally in 7-Eleven filming, but literally I'm in 7-Eleven selling CBD oil. I look so shady. I am not gonna do this long. If you guys want CBD oil, you're gonna get your own darn membership for 10 bucks a month and buy your own, okay? So I don't mind doing this one last time. So, okay, you guys have a good time. Have a good weekend. Right now it's Saturday. It's nice and warm here in Salt Lake City. I got my KISS t-shirt on, and I'm gonna go inside and get me a nice cold drink. So, all right, thanks you guys for watching my video. Okay, please watch video.com. Yeah, go check it out. Let's have some fun. Join LiveGood. You won't regret it. It's cheap and it's fun, just like me.